Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills and whispering forests, there lived a curious young boy named Oliver. With bright blue eyes full of wonder and a heart hungry for adventure, he spent his days exploring every nook and cranny of the village, always yearning for something more beyond the horizon. One brisk autumn morning, as the golden leaves danced in the gentle breeze, Oliver stumbled upon an ancient map hidden in the attic of his family's old cottage. The map depicted a mystical land rumored to hold a treasure that could grant the deepest desires of anyone who found it. Excitement surged through Oliver's veins as he realized this was the adventure he had been waiting for. Without hesitation, he packed a small satchel with provisions and set off on his journey. Along the way, he encountered peculiar creatures and faced daunting challenges. But his determination and quick wit guided him through dark forests, across roaring rivers, and over towering mountains. Finally, after overcoming numerous obstacles, Oliver arrived at the edge of an enchanted lake shimmering with an otherworldly glow. In its center stood a magnificent tree, its branches reaching towards the sky like outstretched arms. Following the clues on the map, he uncovered a hidden chamber within the tree and discovered the fabled treasure, a glowing orb pulsating with an ethereal light. As Oliver held the orb, he felt a surge of warmth and clarity washing over him. It whispered secrets of courage, wisdom, and kindness, filling him with a sense of purpose and understanding. With the treasure in hand, he made his way back home, not with gold or jewels, but with newfound knowledge. Oliver returned to his village, sharing tales of his extraordinary adventure and the wisdom he had gained. His once small world expanded into endless possibilities, inspiring others to embrace their own journeys of discovery. And from that day forward, the village knew that within the heart of a young boy lay the courage to chase dreams and the wisdom to find treasures beyond imagination.